Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start now by confirming permissions so notifications can arrive. You must open Settings, find Notifications for Messenger, and turn on Allow Notifications and All Alert Types. Once done, make sure background app refresh and mobile data access are enabled for Messenger, because without those the app can't check messages reliably. Also check Focus or Do Not Disturb. If a focus is active, either disable it or add Messenger to allowed apps. This clears the common permission blockers immediately. Next, you handle the app and system state so push notifications reconnect. Open Messenger settings, enable its notifications, in-app sounds, and chat heads or similar alert options. Then force quit Messenger, swipe it away, and restart your iPhone to refresh the push notification service. After reboot, check the App Store and iPhone settings for any Messenger or iOS updates and install them. Updates often fix notification bugs. If Messenger has an option to clear cache or reset in-app notifications, use it to remove stale state. Finish by forcing a clean app setup and, if needed, a network refresh. Delete Messenger, restart the phone, then reinstall. This issues a new push token and often resolves persistent failures. If problems continue, reset network settings to clear VPN or DNS conflicts, then reconnect Wi-Fi and mobile data so APNs can register. As a final troubleshooting tip, test notifications with a different account or another iPhone to isolate whether the issue is account, device, or carrier related. Then contact support if it's account specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.